In this video, we taken burger into the next level with pink bun, all made at home, nice and fresh, with red festive salad fit for Valentine's. Let's do this. Hey foodies, welcome to HoobieTastes. First thing, we make sure our milk is at warm room temperature. Then we add our yeast, good quality yeast. Mix it very well and wait for it to grow and smell nice and you see it coming alive. Now we get our dough mixing bowl, add one free range organic egg and start mixing it. Don't go too crazy here, just make sure the mixture is nice and even before we start adding the rest of the ingredients. Now we are ready to add our salt and then macadamia nut oil. It tastes amazing. And we mix it all. If you can't get macadamia nut oil, you could use virgin olive oil. And now we add that nice color to make sure it's all pink. And we mix in it nice and slowly and we get the color that we like. At this stage we are ready to add our yeast and milk, and now we start adding the flour. Make sure you get good quality bread flour and sieve it to make sure no lumps whatsoever get into the mixture. We start mixing it, make sure you sieve it well. This will reflect on the taste and texture of your bread, and we add the flour gradually bit by bit. And now don't be shy, we start using our hands. I could have used a flat surface, but I just kept it in the same bowl with this kind of movement. Give it love. The more love you give to your dough, the better taste you get back in your bread. After about 10 minutes of kneading the dough, we are ready to leave it to rest for about 2 to 3 hours. Make sure you add some extra virgin olive oil to the bowl. Shape your dough. Rub it with the oil, leave it nice and smooth, and now cover it up, keep it away, put it in a warmer place, and then we come back and see how it looks like. And now after that time you see the growth and how well it's risen up. At this stage we are ready to give it some more love. Just turn it around, make sure it's nice and easy, don't go too strong with it, just fold it this way, make sure no extra air is trapped inside, shape it again and leave it to rest for about another half an hour for it to rest and rise again before we are ready to shape up the buns. Just cover it up, keep it to rest, and now we do equal sized bun shaped breads. Cover them up, leave them for about half an hour and they will rise and grow in size, and voila, look at this. They look amazing and the smell is out of this world, and you could see the vibrant nice color of the buns. And now we just need to wash the face of it with some egg and milk, and this will give it a nice crispy well balanced color once it's baked. While we're waiting for the breads to bake, we can start with making the chips. And I tell you, I eat chips better than cutting them. Make sure that we wash it and leave it in cold water for about 10 minutes, and then we add it into a nice heated oil. Make sure it doesn't stick, move it around, and once it's ready, add it on a sheet to absorb all the extra oil. I like it to look nice and crisp like that. Then we add the seasoning, we add some salt, and for me, I have some fry seasoning that I like the taste of. I add it and make sure it's mixed and all the flavor is spreaded around. And here comes the bread. Look at it, it smells amazing. The color, the crunch, I just love it. And now we start with the red festive salad. We need nice and firm red cabbage, orange, raspberry jelly, red onion, cooked beetroot, and an apple. We start by shredding the red cabbage. You could do it by knife or you could use a shredder. Make sure the onions is cut nice and evenly and thin. Make sure that you remove any pips from the orange or remove the skin to have a nice juicy bite in your salad. Cut the beetroot into nice even size cubes, and also I keep the skin into the apple. Make sure it's nicely cubed, and we add everything to the salad bowl before we are ready to mix it up. We add a little bit of honey, the jelly, and a little bit of vinegar. You could add as much as you like to taste. And now we mix it. And now we mix everything up. The smell is absolutely amazing. You can see the vibrant colors, and health-wise, you will get lots of benefits and lots of vitamins from this kind of salad. And it's burger time. Make sure you get 80%, 20% fat. Add some pepper, add some burger mix if you like, or you could add nothing. Burger is good even without adding anything, and I added some garlic to the mix. Make sure it's relaxed, don't push it hard. Now, whether you want it medium, whether you want it rare, keep it until you are happy with the color and the taste that you like. And now it's fun time. You can do your sandwich the way you like. I usually add mayo on both sides of the bun, and remember, light mayo is not mayo. And I also add some mustard. Make sure it's not too strong a flavor so it doesn't overpower everything else, but I do like to add a little bit of mustard. Once we add this, you could add a pickle. Usually I use the bigger size ones, but you know, I was out this time, and I'm not saying bigger is better here. We add the burger topped with cheese, we add with tomatoes, we add lettuce, a bit of ketchup, this and that, and it tasted amazing. I hope you guys like this video. I missed some footage, it's my first video, but please remember to subscribe, like the video, tell me which kind of recipes you like me to do, and I make sure I do more healthy recipes for you. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time with HoobieTastes.